Hi, I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually include your business in the local listing and how you can create your own listing so as to market your products. So now, this is the dashboard of Facebook. This is the homepage of Facebook. If you happen to open your Facebook app on your phone or even on your computer, this is what you're going to see. So now what you do is you go to this tab, which is labeled as Marketplace. Click it. You'll see other listings which are there. So now you move the cursor to the far left, and then you scroll down till you reach where it says Create New Listing. You click that, and then you will have these options. What is it that you really want to market? Is it an item for sale? Is it a vehicle for sale? Or is it a house for rent or for sale? So since your interest is to market some items, you click item to sell. Okay, so here you need to actually, this is the part where you'll be able to see uh, the the location of the items. That is where your market is, where you're selling your items from. So if you want to change, you can actually change from here by clicking this. So now we are moving to the left side where we're going to add the pics of the items that we want to sell, or those items that we are actually selling. Now you have to ensure that you have those items or the pictures of the items on your PC or on your phone. So we go to documents. I think that's where all those items are. Agency, clothes. Okay, so these are the ones that are, oh, okay, so I've highlighted all of them, then I click open. So the pictures are loading. I can actually now scroll down, and then we say, what will be the title of these? Okay, so the title will be clothes. Is it clothes and footwear? And then what are the prices? So the prices will range from, let's say, 100 kwacha to, okay, let me just indicate 100 kwacha. And what's the category? Furniture, household, garden, appliances, entertainment, video games, books, clothing and accessories, bags and luggage, women's clothing, men's clothing and shoes. Okay. Okay, so we simply go by women's clothing and shoes. What's the condition? New. And then sizes, more details attract more interest. Okay. What's the brand? Material. I guess some of these are, anyway, we'll leave them just like them. New items. Okay, so location is Mongo. We leave it just like that. Your public meetup. I guess so we can actually click that one. We don't want to hide these from friends. We need friends to be able to see all these. Okay, so availability as in stock, description items. Okay, new items with prices ranging from 50 kwacha to 200 kwacha. 100 kwacha. And what else? Material and color, size. So there's something that is missing here. Hey, 10 photos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we get rid of all these other things? Okay, 10, 10. Okay, we simply say footwear. Okay, so we can now click next. Amasampo Mwanganga. List in your groups. Can also include Amasampo Mwamongo. Online Mongo samples. All kinds of sample. Namasampo Mwamongo. What else? I think we are done here. We can now publish this. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. So that list has actually been, we're saying we should add the title here. That list has been created. They want us to add a longer title. I think this is cool. Footwear. We will now add something else. So that's how you do it, baby. If you want to market something on Facebook by creating a market list, that's how we do it, baby.